Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, Shopify and Google Sheets. So the use case here is, whenever an order is cancelled in Shopify, automatically add new row in Google Sheets with all the information. Now let us know what these two software applications are all about. So Shopify is an e-commerce platform where you can set up your online store and sell your products, whereas Google Sheets is an online spreadsheet program. Although Shopify and Google Sheets have some native integration between them, but this integration has certain limitations, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an integration software which will help you to transfer data from Shopify to Google Sheets. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen. Okay, so here I am at Google. And now I will go to this URL section over here and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly, and now I will hover over this product section from here and I'm going to click on connect. Okay, so now I am going to sign into my account. Okay, so now because I have already signed into my account, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free and create your free account in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing. You can try out this integration in Pabbly Connect absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your account right now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box below the video. Okay, so now I will scroll down and here at Connect, I am going to click on Access Now. Okay. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and now we are going to create a new workflow by clicking on this button over here. Okay, so now I'm going to give a name to this workflow and I'm going to name it as Shopify to Google Sheets. I'm going to create it now. So now in this workflow, we are going to integrate Shopify with Google Sheets using Pabbly Connect. So first, I'm going to integrate Shopify with Pabbly Connect. Then I will integrate Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. That is why here in Choose App first, I am going to choose Shopify. And in trigger event according to our workflow, whenever an order is cancelled in Shopify, we want to send the data to Google Sheets in new rows. That is why order cancelled will be our trigger event over here. Now you can see we have various trigger events available. You can select whichever trigger event you want according to your workflow. And if you don't get the trigger event of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. So now I'm going to click on order cancelled because this will be our trigger event over here. Now you might have a question in your mind that what is this term called trigger event? Let me tell you that automations run on the concept of triggers and actions. It is all about when something happens, do this. For example, when a sale happens, send an email. In our case, when an order is cancelled in Shopify, we want to send the data to Google Sheets in new rows. That is why order cancelled in Shopify will be our trigger event, whereas adding new row in Google Sheets with all the information will be our action event over here. So now when you come down here, you can see a term called webhook URL. So now, after choosing the app and after choosing the trigger event, what we do is we copy this webhook URL from here and we go and paste it inside the trigger software application, which is Shopify over here. You again might have a question that what is this webhook URL? How does it help us? Let me tell you that webhook is an essential way to get data from an external software at Pabbly's end. So this webhook helps you to build a connection between the trigger software application and Pabbly Connect. So now here you can read the instructions written over here. You can just follow them. And now I'm going to go to my Shopify account. Okay. So now here I'm going to go to my settings. And here you can see this notifications option over here. I'm going to click on it. Okay. So now I'm going to scroll down. And here you can see this term called webhooks. So I'm going to create a webhook now. So event here is going to be order cancellation. So you can see order cancellation is our event. Format will be JSON. Now URL. So here you have to paste the webhook URL that you got from Pabbly Connect, this one. So I'll just copy it and I'm going to paste it over here. Webhook API version will remain 2020 10 latest. Now I'm going to save the webhook. Webhook has been saved successfully. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and now I'm going to click on Capture Webhook Response. So now it is waiting for Webhook response. That means it is time to go and cancel an order at Shopify. So I'm going to go to my Shopify account. So here is my Shopify store and I'll go to my account over here. And you can see I have created some orders here and I'm going to cancel one of them. So I'll cancel this order over here. It was paid and you can see the amount is 59,000. So I'm just going to cancel it. You can see I bought a Dell laptop and you can see all the details are over here. I'm just going to cancel this order now. Continue. Okay, so we have successfully cancelled our order over here. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. Okay, it is waiting for Webhook response. Let us see. Okay, so you can see it has captured the data over here. As soon as we cancelled an order at Shopify, you can see Pabbly Connect has captured the information. You can see the email is over here, the ID is here. If you go down, you can see the price is over here. Financial status is refunded. Okay. If you go down, you can see the other details as well. You can see we have the contact email. The amount is here. Okay, you can see the product also. So now I'm just going to click on save. Okay, so here we have successfully finished our first step integration. Now I'm going to begin with our second step integration where we are going to integrate Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. Okay, so I'm going to click on this plus button over here. And here I am going to choose Google Sheets. Okay. Now in action event, according to our workflow, whenever an order is cancelled in Shopify, we want to add new row in Google Sheet. That is why add new row will be our action event over here. Now you can see we have various action events available. You can select whichever action event you want according to your choice. And if you don't get the action event of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. Now I'm going to click on add new row because this is our action event over here. Now I'm going to connect with Google Sheets. So create new or select existing credentials. If you have any existing credential like this, you can directly click on it and you can go ahead. But here I'm going to click on new credentials. Now before connecting with Google Sheets, I'm going to create a new spreadsheet. I'll go to my Google Sheet over here. Go to Google Sheets. Okay, so I'm going to create a new Google Sheet over here. So I'm going to click on this blank. Okay, I'm going to give a name to this spreadsheet. Shopify cancelled order details. Okay, now let us make some fields over here. Name of customer, email, phone, product price, order date, cancelled. Okay, so I have these fields over here and now I want all these details to be stored here at Google Sheet. Okay, so now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and now I'm going to connect with Google Sheets. So now here you have to choose the account where you have stored your Google Sheet. So I'm going to choose that account. I'm going to allow it. You don't have to worry about your data. Everything is 100% safe and secure with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you can see we have some empty fields and we have to fill the information according to our webhook response over here. So you can see it has already mapped the name of our spreadsheet. The name of our spreadsheet was Shopify cancelled order details. Same is over here. And if you go back, you can see it was sheet 1. Same has been mapped over here. Okay, so first is name of customer. So let us map the name of the customer. Okay, so you can see first name Sam. I'll give a space and I'm going to map the last name as well, Thomas. So Pabbly Connect gives you this unique feature where you can map both first name and last name together in one field. Now email. Let me map the email as well. Email is over here. Now phone number. Let us map the phone number. Phone number is here. Okay, so product, we bought a Dell laptop. So you can see line items title Dell laptop. Okay. Product price. So you can see total price is 59,000. I'll just map this one. Okay, so order date. Let us see the order date. It is here, created at, okay. Cancel date. Let us see where is the cancel date. It is here. Okay, so we have filled all these fields over here. Now I'm going to click on save and send test request. Okay, we have got our API response. That means we have successfully finished our integration and our integration is working fine. Now I'm going to just save it once. Okay, so now let's go back to Google Sheets and see if all these data have been stored over there or not. I'll go to my Google Sheets. Okay, so you can see we have our details over here. I'll just extend these fields so that you can see them easily. Okay, so you can see the customer name is Sam Thomas, email is over here, phone number is here, the product was Dell laptop, product price is here, order date is here, and you can see cancelled date and time is also displayed over here. So we have successfully finished our integration and our integration is working fine. Now I'm going to go to Shopify and I'm going to cancel one more order and then we'll see if the details come directly to Google Sheets or not. So I'm going to go to my Shopify store and I'm going to cancel this order over here. So I'm going to cancel it. Okay, so you can see we bought a Gara t-shirt. So I'm going to cancel this order. Continue. Okay, so we have successfully cancelled this order. Now I'll go back to my Google Sheets. I'll just refresh this once. So you can see Sam Thomas because the same customer was there. That is why the name is same, email is same, number is also same. But you can see the product is different over here. It was Gara t-shirt and you can see product price is here. You can see the date and the cancel date is also here. So we have successfully finished our integration and our integration is working fine. Now I'm going to go back to my Pabbly Connect and I'm going to explain you what has happened in our example. Okay, so in our example, what has happened is first information came from Shopify to Pabbly Connect and then from Pabbly Connect, the information went to Google Sheets. So now every time an order is cancelled in Shopify, a new row will be added in Google Sheets with all the information. So we have successfully finished the integration of Shopify and Google Sheets using Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. For more, you can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.